Hi guys! In today's video I will show you how to enable developer options on your Xiaomi device. First we will check out if the developer options are already enabled. So we will swipe down and press the gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see additional settings. And on the bottom here there should be an option for developer options. But in this case it's still disabled. So we go back to the main menu and press About Phone. And here you can see MIUI version, and we press that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see it. You are now a developer. And now we go back to the main settings menu and then scroll down to additional settings. After that, scroll back down, and here you can find the developer options. So now you can start using developer mode. For example, enabling USB debugging to root your phone. Like here you can find USB debugging, or tweak some settings here to make your phone faster and more energy efficient. But in my next video will be about improving battery life and increase phone performance. So please subscribe so you don't miss any updates. But now let's get back to the topic of this video. If you don't want to use the developer options anymore, you can just remove it by disabling the developer options slider here. If you now go back, you can still see it, but if you go to the main settings menu and press additional settings again, you can see that's gone. But you can simply enable it back by pressing the MIUI version number 7 times, and developer options is back again. I hope this video was helpful for you, but if you want, you can always leave me a comment about the video or request to other videos. Please also like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would be super helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye!